If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Jackson came out with a collab featuring I don't want to say his name wrong. Diljit, right? I'm not sure, but Jackson came out with that. It's an Indian artist. This is my first impression of him, so appreciate you, Jackson, for introducing him. I'm just trying to understand what's happening in this. What is that? Is that a squid? Oh. Jackson, okay, we didn't have to get a hot pot if you didn't want to. I don't know. We didn't have to order the squid, but goddamn, like, he Magic Man right now. Ooh. Oh. What we dancing to? We dance to the beat. Tell me. Teach me. What we doing then? Let's get it. Come on. Ooh. Whoa. Oh shit, this going hard. This going hard. Yeah. Can't get it past to the back room while the best friend try to show me the tattoo. Hey, I thought this was a party. Yeah. Yeah. Two-piece. Yeah. Oh shoot. Oh shoot, what the hell? Are you sure you just showing me how to dance? What are we learning? Oh hell nah, bro. If I see that in my freaking bathroom, imagine you say you're taking a bath and you see this. Okay, I be kind of scared. Like, oh my god, who is this? Jackson? Is that you? Oh my god, that is creepy. What the hell? Ooh. Ooh. Hey. 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 What? Okay. Yeah. Oh. I don't know what you saying, but I'm going. It's getting it. We getting lit. Hey. Two-piece. Groove. Yeah. Let's dance. What is happening? What are we? Are we in a cave? Why does this remind me of like Until Dawn? Like the game. Oh! Oh, fire. Oh! Here we go. Everybody to the show. Everybody get down slow. And we're getting on a beat. Jackson in the motherfucking streets. And he showing how to dance. I don't even know what the Hey man, I'm scared to party with you, Jackson. I don't know. You know what, Jackson? I don't know, man. Jackson. I don't know, man. What did it say? I dreamed of I dreamed of going all the way to hell to deal with you. Buck. All right, Jackson. All right. Well, shit. That was kind of wild. I'm not gonna lie. Bruh. That's kind of crazy. Okay, Jackson, do your thing. Also, the other artist, Diljit, fire, bro. What Jay Park up to now? Low key, I feel like I was supposed to be here. I don't know what happened and what made me not go to this shoot, but it had to be something important because I wasn't able to go. I know a few homies are in here. I saw I think June Lee Comedy was in here. I know Johnny was in there with Jarrell and everybody in that house. I know a few other dancers are in here too. So I was like, oh, this is what they shot? Because I know this area. This place is where they're filming it is in a crew. Ooh. Okay, Jay. Yeah, yeah. And this is Ty Dolla Signs, bro. Bro, I already heard the song itself already. I already like it. I feel like Jay Park's really in his bag when he does this type of shit. Okay. I swear Jay's always at the bar for some reason looking at some girl. He trying to hit up. Girl, I give up. Okay, you can't give. Okay. Okay, he rinsing you up. Let me see if I see a few familiar faces in here too. Ooh. Cha-cha on the beat. Okay, homegirl. Dang, what the all the spark? Oh damn, they got baddies in here. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Here we go with it. Where we going with that? Hey, 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 hey. Alright, let's go Ty Dolla. Let's go Ty Dolla. Oh, Justin Park. Yeah, Justin Park I think was trying to invite me. I forgot what was the reason why? Maybe if I look at my DMs. Sorry, I'm going literally through my conversation. My bad. I just don't go out anymore, to be honest, chat. I'm not gonna lie. I just don't go out. I don't party like that anymore. The silence is crazy. I got the meeting with the him guys. Unk Park A. Oh my goodness. But yeah. Ooh. Okay, Juan Soju. What? For show. For show. Woo. Woo. Bro, Ty Dolla Sign killing that shit. Hey. That's crazy. This is a good collab. Shout out to June Lee Comedy, everybody. Ooh. Oh, he's sparking up. Okay, sparks flying. Did the lights come on? Ooh. Hey, hey. Where we going with this? Everybody in this bitch getting lit. Drinking one soju to the rocks. Put the ice and the bitch in the socks. What's up, girl? One soju up in this bitch. Let me see her. What the hell? What? Don't talk. Listen, that's why I don't rap. Oh, we got some behind the scenes too? That's cool. They literally just had a party. That's crazy. That's funny. Hey, shout out to the dancers too. Hey. Good times. J Park. That was a pretty good collab. J Park, Ty Dolla Signs. They never collabed before. I feel like they had, or I don't know. I am a fan of Ty Dolla. I like his sound, so it made sense for me for J Park to be with him, or have a feature with him or something like that, or J Park having Ty Dolla feature. It was good. Bibi's out. She released the album, right, with like with Sugar Rush and stuff like that. I heard a little bit of Apocalypse. It's quite interesting, and it goes kind of different. I am liking the new sound of the album. Oh. Interesting. Who's that actor? Is that the actor? Well, the ring is definitely symbolism. Woo! That's right. I am getting the special edition box. I'm pre-ordering the album, and I will unbox it on stream with Hedgen. Oh, the album's called Eve, right? Eve something? Ah. Eve Romance. Oh, they fighting? Uh-oh. She cheating? He cheated? He cheating? Oh. Oh, transported to this place where everything's like chill. A baby. So her life is moving forward, and she's not happy. Whoa, that's trippy. Oh, reverse the time. Here we go. Right from the beginning, even before the. I guess it's not gonna bite that apple anymore. Oh, look, she still looks so pretty. Oh my god. Oh, do we chew? I'm gonna throw away that apple. And that's the ending. And she sleeps. She takes a nap. Thank God. That was interesting. Wait. How? What about like if I eat the apple? What if I eat the apple? Wait, I want to know what happens if I eat the apple then. Eat the apple. I love videos like that where you can like be interactive. Oh. Is she about to eat that? Is she taking her time eating that? Oh, damn. Wait, hold up. I know anybody. Damn, the way she ate the apple's crazy. I'm not going to lie, chat. Whoa. Yo. Hey, yo. Hey yo. Hey yo. The interaction is crazy. I love that. I love that. Let me see. What are people's opinions on this song? It feels like old Bibi. You made me fall in love with you again, Bibi. Love the song. It does feel like old Bibi in a way, yeah. But Bibi's always been Bibi. We just get different versions of her. Let the artist grow, you know. The collab we never expected. Oh, Jail of High Boys and Soloist Queen Bibi. Ah, that's who it is. I see. The mother's back. Let's get it. I think Bibi can pull off any type of concept though. She is a genius, and she's just way too good. Just way too good.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of XO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.